Welcome back, the channel that takes you on a thrilling journey into the world of heavy equipment machines. The Broud 9070L is a grape harvester produced by the French agricultural equipment manufacturer New Holland Agriculture. The harvester is designed to harvest grapes and vineyards with precision and efficiency. It includes a powerful engine that can handle tough terrain, a high-capacity picking head that can harvest up to 7,000 kilograms of grapes per hour, and a gentle grape handling system that minimizes damage to the fruit during harvesting. The modern sugarcane harvester is equipped with a range of advanced features and technologies. One of the most important features is the machine's ability to strip the sugarcane stalks of their leaves while also cutting the stalks at the base. This process is done simultaneously, which greatly increases the efficiency of the harvesting process. Another key feature of modern sugarcane harvester is their ability to accurately measure and weigh the harvested sugarcane. Vermeer has developed a self-propelled round baler. It features a cam positioned above the suspended front axle for a smoother ride, and the zero-radius turning technique is borrowed from lawnmowers. The cab provides the operator with an unobstructed view of the rolls, not of the pickup, which is covered by the camera. Jonathan Tippett, an engineer, has created something impressive for Earth, a giant mech called Prosthesis by Furion and Robotics. This exo-bionic racing machine is a groundbreaking achievement and the first of its kind in the world. The mech has been designed for use in racing events and is sure to turn heads with its impressive size and speed. Roll press pickers, also known as balers, are agricultural machines used to compress hay, straw, or other materials into compact bales. The Compress, a series of balers manufactured by Krone, is a popular choice among farmers due to its reliability and efficiency. One of the key advantages of the compressor baler is its versatility. It can handle a variety of crops, from dry hay to moist silage, and can create bales of different sizes depending on the needs of the farmer. The Braumasse Titan 29 is a specialized mower designed for cutting grass and other vegetation in difficult and hard-to-reach areas. This powerful machine is built to handle tough terrain and extreme conditions, making it an ideal tool for a variety of agricultural and commercial applications. It features a sturdy steel frame and powerful engine that provide ample power and durability for cutting even the toughest vegetation. The Cut Grapple Woodcracker CS780 is a powerful and versatile forestry attachment that is designed to make quick work of even the toughest wood cutting and logging tasks. This attachment is designed to be used with a variety of different machines, including excavators and skid teeters, making it a versatile addition to any forestry operation. The HOR Focus TD is a cutting-edge universal seeder designed to optimize the seeding process for a variety of crops. It is equipped with advanced technologies that make it easier and more efficient to plant seeds, leading to better yields and increased productivity. One of the key features of the HOR Focus TD is its precision seeding system, which uses a highly accurate metering unit to measure that each seed is placed at the optimal depth and spacing. Who would have thought that watching the process of harvesting radishes could be so interesting? This machine not only picks radishes, but also bundles them into neat bundles. Imagine how many human hands this technique has replaced. Valiant Sprayer is a versatile and high-performance machine that is designed to meet the needs of modern agriculture. The sprayer is equipped with the latest technologies and features such as precision spraying and automatic boom height control. The process of making French fries typically involves several steps, including preparation, cutting, blanching, frying, and seasoning. Modern technologies have made the French fry production process faster, more efficient, and more consistent, while also reducing costs and improving the quality of the final product. Modern French fry cutters use automation to quickly and accurately cut potatoes into uniform shapes. This reduces the amount of labor required. That's all the amazing machines I have for today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon. See you next time.